Hello, everyone, and welcome to the SBI Securities Weekly Wrap podcast. So, first, let's discuss how the markets have been in the week gone by. The Indian equity benchmark indices Nifty 50 and Sensex snapped their 2-week losing streak and ended higher with weekly gains of 1.6% each. The broader markets, the BSE Mid Cap and BSE Small Cap indices underperformed the benchmarks by gaining 0.9% and 0.1% week on week respectively. This was on the back of progress on India-US trade deals, Moody's rating stating India's economy to grow at 6.5% through 2027 and better than expected 2Q FY26 earnings. Additionally, the market sentiment got a shot in the arm on the last trading day of the week over NDA winning the Bihar elections with a huge margin. On the economic data front, India's consumer price index stood at 0.25% YOY in October 25 versus 1.54% YOY in September 25, primarily due to a favorable base effect of October 24, decline in food inflation, and impact of decline in GST rates. India's WPI slipped to minus 1.21% in October 25 versus 0.13% in September 25, driven by a broad decline in prices of food articles, fuel, and manufactured items. Further, India's equity mutual fund inflows dipped 19% month-on-month in October 25 and stood at Rs 24,690 crores versus 30,422 crores in September 25, as per the data released by AMFI. Additionally, the Union Cabinet approved the Export Promotion Mission (EPM) with an outlay of Rs 25,060 crores for FY26 to FY31, aimed at enhancing India's export competitiveness. This mission will focus on supporting sectors that have been adversely affected by recent increases in global tariff, including textiles, leather, gems and jewelry, engineering goods, and marine products. On the fund flow side, FIs net sold Rs 558 crores, while DIs net bought Rs 24,674 crores in the cash market during the week. During the week, Dow Jones hit a record high on Wednesday, 12th November 25, primarily due to the progress towards the end of the record-long US government shutdown. However, during the fag end of the week, Wall Street main indices ended lower on account of profit booking in Nvidia and other technology major stocks. This drop was primarily driven by investors scaling back their expectations for near-term interest rate cuts amid ongoing inflation concerns and individual stock reactions to the quarterly earnings. Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted their steepest daily decline on Thursday in more than a month, with a fall of 1.7%, 1.7% and 2.3% respectively. Aspects to look out for next week. As the 2Q FY26 earnings season broadly comes to an end, the market will keep a close eye on global events, especially any new developments in the India-US trade deal progress. Additionally, next week, US October 25 IIP month-on-month, US FOMC minutes, UK October 25 inflation rate month-on-month, UK October 25 retail sales, and Japan's October 25 inflation rate YOY will be keenly tracked. During the weekend, in case there is further progress on the India-US trade deal, then export-focused sectors like IT, pharma, textiles, shrimp, etc. can witness a strong recovery next week. On the domestic front, sectors like bank, capital market, hotels, OMCs, auto ancillaries, recycling, etc. will continue to hog limelight. Now moving on to corporate development. So the first stock we have is Syrma SGS Technology. So इस कंपनी ने एक अग्रीमेंट एंटर किया है जहां वो 60% मेजॉरिटी स्टेक अक्वायर करेगा इन एलकॉम इंटीग्रेटेड सिस्टम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, मार्किंग इज एंट्री इनटू डिफेंस एंड मैरीटाइम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बिजनेस. अगला स्टॉक है गोदावरी पावर एंड इस्पात. So the company has concluded the public hearing for the expansion of its Ari Dongri iron ore mines from the existing 2.35 MTPA to 6 MTPA. Then the next stock we have is Trualt Bioenergy. So इस कंपनी ने जॉइंट वेंचर एंड शेयर परचेज पैक्ट एंटर किया है विद सुमिटोमो कॉर्प, जहां वो डेवलप करेगा कमर्शियल CBG प्लांट्स. अगला स्टॉक है CESC लिमिटेड. सो इस कंपनी की आर्म जो कि CESC ग्रीन है, उसे एक अप्रूवल मिला है फ्रॉम ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट टू सेट अप अ सोलर मॉड्यूल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट विद एन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ Rs 4,500 crores. अगला स्टॉक है हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स. सो HAL ने एक अग्रीमेंट एंटर किया है विद जनरल इलेक्ट्रिक कंपनी in USA for the supply of 113 F404 GE IN20 engines. अब चलते हैं कि कौन कौन सी कंपनियों को ऑर्डर्स रिसीव हुआ ये हफ्ते. So, talking about the key order inflows. So, first we have is Bharat Electronics, where the company has received an order worth rupees 792 crores. अगला स्टॉक है वारी एनर्जीज. सो इस कंपनी को 360 मेगावाट का ऑर्डर रिसीव हुआ है फ्रॉम अ डोमेस्टिक एंटिटी. अगला स्टॉक है RVNL. सो द कंपनी हैज रिसीव्ड ऑर्डर वर्थ रुपीज 144.4 crores फ्रॉम साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवेज. अगला स्टॉक है भारत डायनामिक्स. सो इस कंपनी को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस की ओर से 2095.7 करोड़ का ऑर्डर रिसीव हुआ है. और अगला स्टॉक है NBCC इंडिया, जहां सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर ने NBCC इंडिया को 340.2 करोड़ का ऑर्डर दिया है. Now moving on to one of our product, which is pick of the week, where we have given a buy call on Kalpataru Projects International Limited at a CMP of rupees 1,247 with a target price of rupees 1,434 with an upside potential of 15%. Now moving on to corporate actions for next week. So for key corporate actions in next week, kindly refer to our weekly wrap report. The link to view the report is shared in the description box below. So this was all about the weekly market podcast. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.